Your ads don't die because the product sucks. They die because people get bored. If you're running paid traffic, creative fatigue is what's killing your ROAS, not targeting. The real problem is that ads usually burn out in 3 to 5 days. That way, you're forced to redesign, rewrite, and hire again. One winning product needs dozens of variations, not one perfect ad. Paste in a product or landing page URL, and then you click Analyze, and Heyos scans the brand automatically. Now it will pull the logos, colors, fonts, product visuals without setup or manual design work. And you can see all the details here, and I can save them. And you can see in product library, it has my product name, description, product type, key features, target audience, brand colors, logos, and even assets, all from the landing page. And it can use these in order to create videos for my ads. Click the link down in the description, create your account, and when you log in your account, this is the page that you will see. Let's go through some examples together so you can see how easy it is. I'm gonna click Create Sora 2 video. Here you can upload your product's image. For this example purpose, I uploaded a Coca-Cola image and I click Next. Here I'm gonna input my prompt. I typed as a prompt, create a video of a man after workout drinking Coca-Cola and getting refreshed. I click Next. I'm gonna leave it at 8 seconds, Sora 2, portrait, 720p resolution, and click Create. And let's check together the end result.
Nothing like it after a hard session. Ready to go again.
And in just a matter of few seconds, Heyoz scans the brand automatically, pulls logos, colors, fonts, product visuals, no setup, no manual design work, and you have a ready video for your ads. And let's say you want the video in a vertical style for Reels, TikTok, you can have it from Heyoz again.
That's what I needed.
And let's test another feature, the feature of realistic actors' videos. You can click realistic actor, you choose the actor you want. Let's say I want this actor. I click continue. You choose the voice that you want for the actor, and you write the script for the actor. I add my script, I create first the audio, and once the audio is generated, I can also generate the video. And the result is amazing, guys. Take a look at this.
All right, guys, seriously, can you believe that you can learn trading the right way from professionals? Visit assetsaccumulators.com to learn more.
That's amazing. And you can have multiple outputs like static image ads, like UGC style video creatives, meme formats, and you have all of these in minutes, not days or even weeks. And why this matters for your performance in ads? Because Heyoz lets you test 50 angles fast, which means more shots equals faster winners. One person can test like a full agency with this software. That way you lower your CPA without burning time or cash. And you have everything you need to go viral. It works for Meta and TikTok creatives, and it's ideal for solo founders and lean teams. No design skills are required, and the best part is built for speed, not aesthetics theater. Click the link down in the description and get your 3 days free access in Heyoz today. If you're serious about paid ads, you need creative volume. Heyoz gives you that instantly. Hit the link down in the description. Try it for free today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and leave in the comments any questions you may have and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.